So I got a message from my friend Kevin Porter from North Carolina, who asked me the question about showing up early at events. And I thought I would talk about this at today's Creative License Podcast. Hi, welcome to the Little Dog and Pony Show again. My name is Bill Herman. If you want to know more about me, you can certainly find me all over the internet. Just Google me. Okay, it's Hermann. I don't hide a lot. Even I think my telephone number and any way to get a hold of me is out there. But I also am sponsored by Electro Voice, which right now is featuring the new Evolve 50M. Great new product. You should look it up. And as soon as I get my hands on a product, I'll do a video about it. DJ Event Planner, Disc Jockey News, promo only, and of course, my workshop. So he wanted to know if I have ever discussed the importance of showing up early at events. And I have. If you want to go back to the shows, I've done 200 of them. If you're a guy who's gone back and watched all 200 of these 5-minute shows, awesome. Let me know. Maybe I'll quiz you and you could win a prize. I can't believe anybody's watched every one of these things, but if you have, thank you. But the fact that I do, I think is just a professional thing. To show up early enough at an event so that, number one, you're going to show up a little differently. Most DJs that I've been trained by, or the way I was trained when I first started was, you don't want to put any more time into the event as humanly possible. So you're going to get there at the last minute because you can set up in 30 minutes, 15 minutes, 10 minutes. Okay. So why would I get there early? Because I can be set up. I can be ready to go. Well, I get there early for a couple of reasons. Number one, if I don't set up early, I'm going to get the old sweats, right? I'm going to, I sweat like I stole something as it is. And add that to the adrenaline sweats that I get. When I'm done setting up, even when nowadays I don't set up much at all because I have an assistant, I need to cool myself down, get myself clear and connected before I change into my suit or my tuxedo for the evening, because I want to look fresh and ready to go. Another reason is while my guy is setting up, I am walking the room. I'm walking around the room. I'm listening to the echo. I'm listening to what sounds like, where it sounds like. I'm looking at where the worst seat is in the room and what it looks like and what if somebody can see the bride and the groom and the things that I'll be presenting, are they all going to be able to see things? Are they all going to be able to hear things? If only 2 speakers will be enough, or will I need a 3rd speaker so that we don't have to have the main system blaringly loud so the person in the back can hear, right? If I have to hook into their sound system, if I need to know how their video works and where their screen is and all of the things I need to know, if I need to move people from one room to another room, I can do these things on the fly, but everything is smoother and I look like I have more command over what's going on because I do. I know the room. And that's why people think that I work there. That's why many people think that I own the facility, because I know where the bathrooms are. I can give quick and concise directions because I know where it is. I practice how to do it. I've welcomed people into the room and I know where that's going to happen. I know exactly where everything is. And I know the timing of where they have to go from point A to point B to point C, and I'm directing them and moving them. I can't do that if I don't know if, first of all, my timeline fits with theirs and if everyone is going to be there in the room. Sometimes they'll put tables out in the hallway, right? You don't want to find that out later. And even if one couple, it might be the most important couple that the bride and groom love, feels not included, right? So it's what an actor calls walking the room, walking the stage, making sure that he feels confident standing on every bit of every board on the stage, that he knows where his light is and where it's not, where he stands in the shadows and where he doesn't. So if he has to do a thing, he can move people into where it's most important. I get there early because I want to be prepared to actually present something in a professional manner, instead of what we've been trained to do our whole life, which is, here's the event, show up whenever you want to, and then wing it. Winging it is okay, but winging it looks like winging it. Professionalism looks smooth and seamless. Even when every once in a while during the event, you're going to have to wing it, because that's a skill you want to have too. And I can talk about that in another class. Listen to me. you wanted to be in a class, go to entertainment-experience.com. You can be in a class. Until next time, thanks for joining us. I'm Bill. This is Creative License.